Earlier this year, former host Omar Lewis sat down with media artist Rafiq Anadol to explore how AI is transforming the creative process. Now, we're inside Dataland, the world's first museum dedicated to AI arts, to see just how that vision has come to life. So, can a museum become a living work of art? Hi, Circuiteers! Welcome to Dataland. We're here at the world's first ever AI museum. Now, this is part 2 of Omar's conversation with artist Rafiq Anadol. So come on with us.
Welcome to Dataland. I'm so happy to host you. To on board, you can see what I'm wearing and what I'm also wearing here. These are our connection to the museum and the artworks.
Tell me about Dataland and how special this moment is for you to have this culmination of a museum of AI art.
Architecture is very important in my work, as you can feel. I just believe that we can create a whole new space, sensors, technology, and complex display world and supercomputers and network in the building, in the living galleries. And I'm calling this generative reality. First of all, I believe what AI is creating an impact in our realities. We sometimes question, is it real? This boundary between real and unreal becoming blurry, and I felt that this is exactly the point we can think about a new form of art. So I believe Dataland is a new form of art that will be challenging our perception, our time, our space, our senses.
Without spoiling too much, tell me how these sensors are interpreting me, reading me, displaying me, and how the scent also works in that to be very customized to just the individual.
The entire museum is a living museum.
Okay.
From the moment we enter the museum, and these artworks, these custom algorithms, real time is sensing us through these sensors. We innovated a whole new system, a personalized living gallery that each person in the museum will be able to not only get interactive, incredible details of the movements, but also smell. So we'll have goosebump paintings. A special robot that we trained will be taking millions of data points from the person who got the most emotional response, and it will be creating a special painting. This is called Qualia. And also, you will be able to take the personal data and transform it into an emotion-connected special scent molecule. So we will turn the emotions into scent. And then what each, of course, gallery has their own story, have their own artworks, different painting and sculptures, but the common theme is rainforest. We have 16 distinct rainforests in the world, and the museum every day will be reflecting a different rainforest.
What do you hope the audience takes away from this?
I truly believe that inspiring moments in the humanity's journey is very much the core motivation. And this is the beautiful part, that anyone and everyone can be a part of this new movement that's happening around us through technology, through science, but truly in the core of it, create this beautiful art experience that feels new, that is hopeful, but that creates these possibilities. And I do believe in our lifetime, art can be a medicine.
Yeah.
And I do believe that this beautiful, positive impact of art is what we are trying to find.
It's escapism, it's dreaming, it's like this protective little bubble that you're in, right? That you can just escape all those problems of the world right in front of you.
I think that's the Dataland's first, and hopefully many breakthroughs, is, can the artwork feel me? When a special moment happens in our lives, we have goosebumps. Can the artwork feel me in a way that knows that I had a special moment? Can we have a dialogue with the museum and the gallery, or AI, or the story? Can we have a new ways of storytelling?
Wow, Circuiteers, that was amazing. So what do you think? Can a museum become a living work of art? From transforming data into immersive experiences to creating the world's first AI museum, Rafiq Anadol has definitely pushed the boundaries of creativity, technology, and human imagination. Rafiq Anadol, media artist, founder of Dataland, and the future of AI-powered art. If you enjoyed this week's episode of The Circuit News, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click those bell notifications for more incredible engineering. Thanks, guys. See you next time. And a special thank you to the Ming Hsieh Institute at USC Viterbi for making this episode possible.